This is a 2010 Lexus ES350. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof with remote operation enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button, an 8-speaker audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, a security system, front fog lights, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Akins Ford of Winder is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 220 West May Street in Winder.